Hello and welcome to this video from Berthon, Spain. Today we are taking a tour of the Marex 310 Sun Cruiser at the 2022 Cannes Yachting Festival. The Marex 310 could not have been a more popular boat for Marex. She has won a host of awards including Motor Boat of the Year in the UK, European Powerboat of the Year, and was winner of the German Design Award. She is perhaps the ultimate weekend cruiser for the Balearics and equally suited to adventures between the islands, long days at anchor or use during the extended season and winter months. The spacious bathing platform is the perfect place to relax close to the water, with two comfortable bench seats which boast notable integral storage. To port we have a deep fender locker with further storage and a gas locker fitted to starboard. There is also a swim ladder on the bathing platform and a shower with hot and cold water as standard. There is also easy access to the side decks with plenty of notable handholds and high secure railings around the boat. The side decks can be specified in GRP as seen in the video, or with teak decking or synthetic decks. The generous foredeck has space for a sun pad or sun lounger with adjustable backrest, stylish wooden rails and the option of windows both to port and starboard on the hardtop. Here you can also see the huge forward sunroof which really opens up the cockpit. This boat has also been specified with an electric windlass forward with 30 metres of stainless chain which can be controlled from the helm position or via remote, which also controls the bow thruster. This boat has also been fitted with a bowsprit which makes it even easier to step ashore in higher marinas when moored bow to the dock. The Marex 310 can also be fitted with solar panels. These automatically keep the batteries topped up when at anchor or away from shore power. This is a great feature when spending long days at anchor with fridge freezers running, etc. Here you can also see the large extended sunroofs, which make this boat super versatile in the sun without the need for complicated biminis. The sunroofs can be opened and closed within seconds, and there is also a clever aft canopy which draws into position on dedicated rails. The large social cockpit includes a generous U-shaped sofa to starboard and an additional bench seat to port. There is also a comfortable backrest with curved corners. The quality table opens up and can be dropped down with an infill cushion to make a sun pad. The opening transom gate adds to the feeling of security within the cockpit. It's a great feature if you have children on board. The helm position offers commanding views when underway and is positioned below the forward extended sunroof, so you still very much have an open feeling when underway. The dashboard is finished in Nextel anti-glare paint and can be specified with a range of electronic equipment. The helm and co-pilot bench is fitted with a bolster and can adjust forward and backwards. The colour of the upholstery in the dashboard can be specified. There are plenty of handholds which add to the feeling of security when underway, a rev counter, engine computer and a range of options for navigation equipment depending on requirements. The boat can also be specified with a zip wake system which automatically controls the trim and list of the boat when underway. There is a quality custom wheel from Marex with bow thruster control, fusion stereo, and you can also see the indicators for the battery levels. Here you can see a large opening window for the amidships cabins. There are spacious storage lockers below the seats, with the lids designed to lift up without removal of the cockpit cushions. There is also storage below the sofa to starboard. The companionway is designed to really connect the galley and cockpit. There is a large top stowing drinks fridge as standard and the option of a pull-out fridge freezer drawer in place of the drawer locker shown in the video. The galley has been appointed with notable amounts of storage, with every inch of usable space made available. There is also a standard gas stove and the option of a gas oven. The forward cabin offers a large double berth, panoramic windows, storage lockers and the option of an air conditioning system. Below the berth there is a very generous top stowing locker. The aft cabin features a full beam berth, hanging locker, panoramic window and the option of air conditioning. There is standing headroom to change as you enter the cabin. The shower compartment is very generous for a boat of this size, with an electric head and space to shower with full standing headroom. There are also generous vanity lockers. The boat is also available with a range of single or twin engine options. There is a choice of cockpit upholstery, hull colour, dashboard colour and canvas options. We hope you've enjoyed this video tour of the Marex 310 Sun Cruiser.